another Christmas episode of Happy Bahay, Happy Buhay. Kapag Christmas, everybody is happy. However, Christmas can also feel bittersweet when a loved one is no longer there to celebrate with you. But the season can still bring comfort and even joy. Honoring their memory while embracing small moments of togetherness can help families find healing this season. Kaya naman ngayong umaga, pag-usapan po natin para sa mga namatayan at nawalan ng mahal sa buhay, how can we find joy in Christmas after a loss?
Christmas is one of the most favorite time of the year to most people. However, meron pong mga tao na mga namatayan during this holiday season. So ano nga ba yung pwede nating gawin to find joy in Christmas after a loss? Unang-una po, to create a new tradition in their honor. Start a simple tradition that celebrates your loved one. Halimbawa po, ilaw tayo ng kandila in their memory or sharing a favorite story about them during Christmas holiday nung sila ay nabubuhay. Kumbaga, honey, sariwain natin yung magagandang alaala nung sila'y nandito pa at kasama natin.
Yeah, I agree with you, honey. By doing that, by coming up with stories and memories na nabubuhay pa sila, that's one way of honoring them. So I like that, Bong. Number 2, find moments of gratitude. Acknowledge the sadness because sadness is real, but also focus on small joys. Magdasal, siguro gamitin ang pagkakataon na to para kumonect sa inyong pamilya, pray together as a family, at pasalamatan ng Diyos sa mga sandali at sa mga memories na inalaw niya na makasama niyo yung mahal niyo sa buhay. Remember, pahiram lang po talaga ang buhay sa atin. And make this be a lesson also and a revelation for us na maiksi lang ang buhay. We have to make the most out of what we have. At tandaan natin, marami pa na mahal sa buhay. Ang buhay, katabi mo. Spend time with them. Thank the Lord for them. Share special memories with your loved ones who are still here.
Magandang paalaala din, honey, no, to savor each moment or every minute kapag kasama po ninyo ang mga mahal ninyo sa buhay. And number 3, learn on your support
Lean
network.
on your support network.
Lean on your support network. This is very important, honey, no, na meron kang small group o tinatawag na support system o yung mga group chat. Maganda na kasama mo yung pamilya mo o mga kaibigan during the time of grief. Yung ilabas mo yung saloobin mo. If you can cry, you can cry. If you can laugh, you can laugh to lighten kung ano yung nararamdaman mo.
Napakahalaga, honey, that during this time of grief at kapaskuhan pa, talagang ang sasandalan mo yung support network mo, yung pamilya mo, yung mga buhay na mahal sa buhay. Christmas may feel different this year para po sa inyo mga kaagapay na nawala ng mahal sa buhay. But remember, it can still be a time of warmth and connection, honoring the past and the present. Embracing love and gratitude can turn memories into a lasting source of joy, bringing light to the season even during this difficult time.
Lagi natin tandaan ng mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Na pagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman po si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy Buhay!